5 tips for crafting a nutritious and energizing breakfast. Good morning, wellness enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the art of crafting a wholesome and energizing breakfast to kickstart your day on a nourishing note. Join us as we share 5 essential tips to help you create a balanced and delicious morning meal that fuels both your body and mind. Tip 1. Embrace colorful ingredients when preparing your breakfast. Aim to include a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables. These natural sources of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants not only add visual appeal but also provide a diverse array of nutrients to support your overall well-being. Tip 2. Incorporate protein and fiber. Ensure your breakfast contains a combination of protein and fiber-rich foods to promote satiety and sustained energy levels throughout the morning. Options like eggs, Greek yogurt, nuts, seeds, and whole grains are excellent sources of these essential nutrients. Tip 3. Opt for whole foods. Choose whole, minimally processed foods whenever possible for a nutrient-dense breakfast. Whole grains such as oats or whole grain bread provide fiber and essential nutrients, while natural ingredients like avocado, nuts, and seeds offer healthy fats to support heart health and brain function. Tip 4. Plan ahead for success. Preparation is key to maintaining a healthy breakfast routine. Consider meal prepping or preparing elements of your breakfast the night before to streamline your morning routine and ensure you have nourishing options readily available. Overnight oats, chia puddings, and make-ahead breakfast burritos are convenient choices. Tip 5. Enjoy mindfully. Lastly, take the time to savor your breakfast and start your day with a moment of mindfulness. Sit down, focus on the flavors and textures of your meal, and cultivate a sense of gratitude for the nourishment you're providing your body. Eating mindfully can enhance your overall eating experience and promote digestive wellness. There you have it, 5 tips for crafting a nutritious and energizing breakfast that will keep you going. Always remember to let your food be your medicine and your medicine, your food. Stay healthy.